Got the engine back in, heads on. Got to put the rocker shafts and the push rods in it, the intake manifold. Just button the rest of it up. Won't be much longer. I'm gonna take the reservoir out, tank out tomorrow and sand it, clean it, prep it, and paint it. Put a adhesive promoter on it, then paint it. Left the headers on the heads and snaked them down through there. Pretty simple. You got plenty of room to do it. I've done it a few times, so saves a lot of time if you're going to be taking the engine apart or have the heads off of it, and you got headers at the same time. All jacked up. A little bit of a mess in here. I'll take exhaust off of it. I do want to get the chrome valve covers with aluminum ones that Holley makes to go on it eventually. And I'm gonna change these out and get the polished caps that goes on there, the individual caps. That's about it for now.